You know, this whole suck, squeeze, bang, blow process actually has a formal name. It's called the Brayton cycle. That's the fundamental thermodynamic principle that lets these engines turn fuel into just an incredible amount of mechanical power. Now, once you have all that power, what do you do with it? Well, it turns out you can use it in two main ways. You can set up the engine to produce the maximum amount of forward push, what we call thrust, or you can design it to turn a shaft with as much rotational force as possible.
So, check this out. For a jet plane, the goal is all thrust, right? So the engine uses just enough of that energy to power itself, and it lets all the rest of that hot gas just blast out the back to push the plane forward. But for something like a helicopter or a power plant, the goal is rotational power. So here, that same exhaust gas is used to spin a second turbine, which then turns a shaft that's hooked up to a helicopter rotor or an electrical generator. It's the same core, just doing two completely different jobs. Pretty clever.
And this just shows how incredibly versatile this technology is. By just tweaking the design a little bit, engineers have created this whole family of gas turbines. You've got your basic turbojets, turboprops for propeller planes, turboshafts for helicopters, and of course, those giant high-bypass turbofans you see on modern airliners. They're all built around that same core Brayton cycle. Okay, so we've established they power planes. We get it.